Welcome back, guys, to another episode of Crypto Market Garden, where we talk about things in the garden and sometimes touch on crypto. Today we have two of my favorite smells, which are lavender and rosemary here. Woke up to that, just beautiful in the air here. But it didn't smell as good as Ethereum when I woke up. So let's talk about it. This is just gonna be a quick one. No script, no charts, nothing like that. So obviously Ethereum just exploded. Long time coming. If you're an ETH holder like me, an ETH maximalist, it was a good day to rib your Bitcoin maximalist friends. But I will tell you that there's reason behind it. So ETH was held down by the fact that institutional buyers were not fully on board, and leverage traders were, suppressing the price. But if you really think about the Ethereum price, it was just, even at 2,500, it was saying it's still undervalued. And the reason for that is, if you look at the market cap, Bitcoin now is 33% of Bitcoin's market cap. It's important for you to understand that, if it does catch up to Bitcoin, that doesn't mean that it's going to be the same price as Bitcoin, for those of you who are new into the market. But that being said, this is a long time coming. The ETFs that are opening up, the institutional money that's going into Ethereum, it's taking the narrative away from Bitcoin. So Bitcoin dominance has gone down quite a bit. The market can't survive without Bitcoin, but Ethereum is having its day. We should all be happy about that. But keep in mind that, when I say that Ethereum is going to surpass Bitcoin, I still believe that. That just means by market cap. So if that happened right now, you'd be looking at a $10,000 Ethereum. So keep that in mind. Don't get your hopes up too high. Right now is a great time to be in DeFi. DeFi is making a strong comeback. I think everyone's sick of the term NFTs. Even then, Ethereum runs 90% of the NFTs on the web. So, long story short, good day. Just wanted to make a video, say hi, talk about three of my favorite smells. And, for those of you newer into the market, that I've gotten a lot of texts like, oh, should I get into Ethereum right now? I don't know. I wouldn't. It will retrace a little bit. And when it retraces, then it'll take off. But my schedule for Ethereum, it's on schedule now. It's been behind schedule since I first got it over a year ago. My schedule for Ethereum is this. So when the May options expire, when those are called, when they're liquidated, that'll be actually in June, first week of June, because May is a 5-week fiscal month. So everything I'm seeing on the web is first week of June will be our dip, probably. And then from there, enough people will know about EIP 1559 and what it does. And so basically it's going to start burning the supply of Ethereum, which we haven't done before. It was an infinite supply. So when that starts, they start burning Ethereum on every transaction. There will be a finite supply. So it will eventually get to the point where there's a finite supply like there is for Bitcoin. So when that happens, that's when you start to see the price discovery jump above $10, $15, $20,000 Ethereum. If it's at the same market cap as Bitcoin at that time, and Bitcoin's at, conservatively 144,000 in August, you do the math. So I would never tell anybody to buy Ethereum right this second, but I will say, come June, when those options expire, if it's in a dip at that point, that's pretty much your last chance. And then when I keep making videos now, I'll be talking about next up. I've talked about Solana, heavy into Solana. I actually have it staked, so it's locked. That's how much I believe in Solana, and that's because of what it's going to do with Exodus, which is SEC registered. So keep your eyes on Ethereum, Solana, VeChain, always. Binance, Bitcoin will get up to where Ethereum is right now at some point. You know, keep your Bitcoin. Watch for what happens with XRP with the SEC ruling. Looks like they will win that case. Hasn't happened yet. Origin is my NFT play. Ocean still in the top 10 for me, and KuCoin shares. So if you're looking for the next thing, so I got Nexo at 20 cents. Now it's at what, $4, something like that. And then Binance I had at 29, sold at 31. And now it's 668. If you're looking for that next thing, it's KuCoin shares. That rounds out my top. So that's it for me today. I did promise a historical fact. Operation Market Garden is named that because I'm in a garden, but it's also just a tongue-in-cheek reference to the operation in World War II, in which they dropped paratroopers too far behind enemy lines. They made a movie about it called A Bridge Too Far. They reference it in The Simpsons, A Fridge Too Far. But yeah, that's my historical fact for the day. All right. Enjoy your day and be blessed, and I'll see you at the top.